Discover Shipwreck Beads. Beads are cool, beads are fun. Explore the treasures, discover Shipwreck Beads.
Hi, I'm Carol with Shipwreck Beads, and using crimps to finish off necklaces and bracelets is a very common way to do this. It's very, very secure and can also be very, very attractive. But there may be some cases that you don't want your crimp to show, that perhaps you'd like to have it look more like a bead and part of the finished design. And one of the ways to accomplish that is using crimp covers. I have some here. They come in different sizes and different finishes, so you can match the metal that you're using with your jewelry. So I've already placed the crimp cover in the crimping tool, and you just slide your crimp into the open section and close with your tool. It's more of a clamshell, and it will encase that crimp so that it looks like you have a bead on the end of your necklace. Just another option. There's lots of them around, and have fun and explore.